Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blau Parts. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating probably one of the easiest DIYs you can perform on your third generation Tacoma. And that's how to change the engine air filter. This is going to apply to all third generation 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma models with the 3.5 liter V6 engine. So let's get started. Begin by accessing the engine bay and locating the engine airbox. This is located on the passenger side of the engine. Locate and loosen the two airbox cover draw latch clips closest to the fender. Once loosened, guide the top side of the airbox closest to the fender upward, allowing the two mounting tabs to release on the lower section of the airbox. Continue lifting the airbox cover while also removing the old air filter. Inspect the airbox for any debris. If any exists, use a vacuum cleaner to remove it from the airbox. Next, slide the new air filter into the airbox as originally oriented, confirming that the outside foam sealing edges of the air filter are seated to the bottom side of the airbox. Guide the top side of the airbox down onto the air filter. First, confirm that the two mounting tabs engage into the lower section of the airbox. Once engaged, continue compressing the top edge of the airbox downward onto the air filter seal and the bottom section of the airbox. Last, reinstall the two draw latch clips. So that is a quick overview on how to change the air filter on a third generation Toyota Tacoma with the 3.5 liter V6 engine. If you're interested in any of our other Toyota Tacoma DIY maintenance videos, our Blau oil change kits, or any other high performance fluids or filters for your Toyota Tacoma, or any of your other vehicles, you can visit our website at blauparts.com or click the link below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.